Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this 16 by 20 inch canvas and that Artist Loft half Walmart Onyx semi-gloss paint, but I think it's going to have to do with covering part of it. I like the pre-primed canvases because that means you have a lot less work to do to make the paint cover. This is an OXO omelet turning spatula. Most of you have heard of this. I'm the one that discovered this in my neighborhood, local organic market. I want to back push it along the edge of the blade to make some paint fall down over so I can stick my fingers in. If that doesn't work, I won't worry about it. I'm going to pull in toward the center. I'm going to pull out toward to the outside and then in toward the center. I have a whole bunch, a new batch of Meeden white paint, and I think I'm going to use it, but I also want to use the black, so I'm not sure how that's going to go yet. This is not the Meeden black. I'm not going to waste it. I've already gone through my first half gallon of white, or at least it's mixed up, ready to go. It's too much fun. It's on my Amazon link. The Amazon link is under the link tree. The link tree is under the video. All kinds of stuff you can buy there, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. And I appreciate you guys making donations to help keep me painting and creating tutorials, because it costs me just about what I get paid to buy art supplies, unfortunately. But what that means is that every time somebody bothers to buy a painting or begin a collection of my art, you're keeping the studio going, and I really appreciate that. Thank you to everyone who has done so. Alright, I have, I think, enough paint, and my edges are not showing. I'm going to throw that spatula in the bucket after I wipe the last little bit of it paint off. I'm not a waster. I just can't pour paint away. It's not in my nature. It's probably an OCD affectation, but whatever. Alright. Be good if I'd gotten the old tile out of there. So let's do an edge of the Meeden white. Following right along. See where that takes me. Get the paint bottles out of the way. Let's join our drips together. I might put some of that Meeden black right down the center. If this is giving you any ideas, that's okay. Let's do that with the Meeden black. It's definitely time to mix up some more. It's probably why I'm using the white. That bottle is about to be empty. Now, I really love my Venetian blue, and the Meeden has allowed me to not have it sink. Come on, paint. I got a lump of paint on my index finger. Just going to put that right in everywhere. I meant to make that a whole lot less even, to tell you the truth. Last time I applied the paint with a shovel. This time I'm going to try and force myself to do what I promised I would do and smear it. I think I'm out of this color. What do you think? New way to make a painting. another new way. So I didn't use any of the turquoise. Actually, I want some of this Anita's White Metallic with the Venetian Blue from Modern Masters in it. I also want either Hot Orchid. I'm really thinking, I'm thinking the magenta's coming out. I can't help myself. I have to make a painting before I make a painting. Evidently, I didn't know that about myself until Tara mentioned it, but that does seem to be the way it is. I'm really tempted to put a shovel full of gold. Do I have a bigger bottle? I do. Hang on. Open sesame, come on. It's probably not enough. But it doesn't mean I can't do it again. Why do I always want a tip? Sometime I'm just going to put the shovel right in. And use it as a swipe tool. In the meantime, since I don't want to waste any paint, wow, okay. I'm just going to retrieve whatever I can and dribble all along the way. So now, get a few more things out of the way. Now I have a question. Do I want to do the orange? And I kind of do. Alright, so here goes nothing. What was that? Other than huge. I want a little more of this. I'm going to try and wipe off my pie server from the local church resale shop. I think I did one just like this the other day, actually. I want all that paint. Right here. Pretty. I want a smaller spatula. I want a different spatula. I want something else entirely. Okay, so I've got an edge catcher and I've got a lot of cells. Somebody asked me to do something with spirals. So maybe I can. I got a few bubbles too. I'm not sure I like that one as much. Maybe it's time to have some real fun. I think I'm better off with a straw. I keep being called to yellow and I'm not sure what I'm going to do about it yet. Because I'm not certain I like that. So maybe I'll try a little bit of the orange gold. See if that helps. Be helping if I wasn't putting my straw right in there too. I think the only help for that is to put the color I really want to see there. Yes, that was exactly right. And wherever else I want. So the only thing I can think of that I'd really like to do to make that outstanding is to add a little negative space right there, which is not making me unhappy at all. at all. But it does make me want to use some more white. But the white I want to use is probably the Anita's white. I really have not gotten completely used to the fact that the Meeden paint is so amazing, it just keeps selling up. I think I'm almost done, which means I should tell you guys before you're gone that I love you and that I really appreciate all the wonderful comments you leave me. They keep my morale boosted very nicely. Thank you so much. That was unintentional and it's not going to stay that way. So I have 2 minutes to tell you I do sell my artwork, and if you're interested, use the hashtag from the title of anything, any video or any artwork you find anywhere, including pixels.com and Fine Art America, to request information on by using my email address, easpbgallery, the word gallery, @gmail.com. That's underneath the link tree. That's underneath the video. Also on my link tree are Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, my website where I have a brand new blog. I want to thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. And thank you for all the thumbs up that keep my morale boosted and help my standing on YouTube, along with your comments. When you watch the videos all the way through and when notifications come out and leave comments, it makes a big difference to how what my standing is like on YouTube. That's really cool. I really like that. I want a little bit more of that right there. So I'm going to have to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, but I think this is overall pretty cool. And I'm almost done, and I'm going to run out of time, I'm sure of it. So I should make sure to tell you guys I have over 1,800 videos. And they are organized on playlists by the 100 and by the topic and genre. If you have questions or you want a suggestion, please let me know. If you have questions of any kind about paint pouring, please let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them. And if I can't, I'll tell you somebody who can, or I'll just tell you I can't, basically. So I really like this, and I've got 1 minute left to make sure to tell you guys that I have Teespring clothing under the video and an Amazon link. And when you shop either one of those places, you help me out. And you can find whatever you want there, including anything that you might want to have me add there just by asking. My Facebook group is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, and that's for students, and also Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors. You can see the albums there of the edited artworks from YouTube. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a Shop Now button that will take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com. And anytime you shop there, it helps me out. And I really appreciate you guys. I love you all. My 2 books are volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And they are also on the Amazon link. Thank you so much for joining me. There's over 91,700 of you today. And I hope that if you're new, you feel welcome, and if you're not new, thank you for being here, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, thinking, I wish I had zoomed in sooner. I'm so sorry.